Smells real bad over here. Real bad, like piss. I hope I don't encounter a bear or something like that. Let's take it right. This one looks a little bit creepier, you know, it looks creepy. But let's see what's up. It's probably mold from the water. That's what I'm smelling right now. Yep. This place is kind of creepy. Should I go that way or this way? I feel all types of spider webs all over me. Let's go here and let's see if hopefully I don't get oh man, there's spiders everywhere. Oh Lord. Yup. Spider webs everywhere. And there is no one here, nobody. Gotta be careful. There's a whole bunch of buzzards over there on top. I think for kids to play over here, but I don't know. This place is giving me a bad vibe, and there is nobody here. There is no one here at all, just me. Yeah, this place is abandoned, I think, and I thought it was gonna be a cool place to explore, but there's no one here. And I have a lot of spider webs all over me. This place is just weird. I thought it was gonna be cool like the other ones. And I can even go through there. See? I can't even go through there. So, yep. No wonder nobody was at the parking lot. Just me. But yep, I think I'm gonna make it short this time. There's no one here. And I don't want to run into no alligator and then, you know, snake, any crazy stuff like that. I thought I was gonna see more people, but no. But it's just me. Let's go this way and see what happens. And I drove about an hour to get here. There's nothing. Oh man. Yep. I think that's why I am running into a lot of spider webs, because nobody comes here at all. But I don't know. I think the best for me to do is to leave and try to find another nature center. This is just too creepy, too nasty, and I don't trust it. So I'm gonna see if I leave instead, because I don't see nobody else here but me. No staff, no nothing. So it's not that I'm scared or anything, but it's just there's nothing to show, you know. There is nothing nice to show. And that's what these videos are about, you know, showing you guys around, places to visit when you visit Florida, places to see. But there's nothing. It's pretty ugly, pretty nasty. I think I already swallowed a spider or two of them, you know. Which way did I came from? Hope I don't get lost. I thought it was gonna be super cool, but it's not. And it sucks because I drove an hour just to get here. But it's time to go. Just look at the wood, it's so nasty. Okay, I think I found my exit. I'm gonna try to go somewhere else, people, because this is just too weird, too creepy, and too ugly. Yup. Up to the next one. I'll show you something else later.